Today we're going to close up an amigurumi piece. So I've just completed my last stitch in the round and I'm going to pull my crochet hook up just to loosen that tail there, and then thread the end of it onto a yarn needle. And you're going to take that needle and insert it under the front loop only of the next stitch, from the inside to the outside. And then keep doing that in all of the 6 stitches that you have left in the last round, or however many it may be. I'm not pulling it super tight, we'll do that at the end to close everything. And that is the 6th one. It's closed a little bit, but if you pull it tight now, you'll see that shut completely. So now it's got a little bobble. I just like to insert it under any stitch just to help secure it. And then go back down through the center and out. Pull that tight. Trim the leftovers. And then take the end of that needle underneath and squish it around to keep its round shape. Done!